How to prevent someone from taking screenshots on your Facebook profile. Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I'll be guiding you through a simple process on how you can prevent someone from taking screenshots of your Facebook profile. But before getting started, be sure to head down below to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. The very first thing you need to do is access your Facebook profile and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have done that, you want to head over to the menu section right here and then tap on the gear icon to open up your account settings. Once you do that, you can just scroll down until you find your privacy center or privacy checkup. So go ahead and tap on it. So here you will see this settings right here, how to keep your account secure. Just tap on this one. And to do that, you first need to turn on the login alerts and then make sure that your password is okay and turn on the two-factor authentication. So you can turn on alert and then you can change your password if you want and then add an extra layer of security on your account. After you have done that, you can just go back to your account and then you just have to scroll down until you see audience and visibilities and you just tap on profile lock-in and then you just want to lock your profile. So what this will do is only friends will see what you post and stories on your profile. And once you have done that, you can click on OK, refresh your profile, and it will show you that you've locked your profile. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.